Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the wonders of nature and promote a healthy lifestyle. In today's video, we're diving into the amazing health benefits of avocado seed tea. Yes, you heard it right, avocado seed tea. We all know avocados are delicious and packed with nutrients, but did you know that their seeds are equally impressive? Let's uncover the hidden potential and discover why avocado seed tea should be your next favorite beverage. Avocados have become a staple in the diets of health-conscious individuals all around the world. They're known for their creamy texture and abundance of healthy fats. But what about the often overlooked seed? It turns out that the avocado seed, usually discarded without a second thought, holds a treasure trove of health benefits. Avocado seed tea is a simple yet powerful way to extract the goodness from these seeds. By drying and grinding the seeds into a fine powder, we can unleash their hidden potential. But what makes avocado seeds so special? Let's find out. One of the most impressive qualities of avocado seeds is their rich antioxidant content. These seeds contain potent antioxidants, such as phenolic compounds and flavonoids, which help combat free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage our cells and contribute to various health issues, including aging, inflammation, and chronic diseases. By regularly consuming avocado seed tea, we can provide our bodies with a concentrated source of antioxidants, helping to neutralize free radicals and protect our cells from oxidative stress. This, in turn, can support overall well-being and help maintain a healthy immune system. Not only are avocado seeds rich in antioxidants, but they also offer an impressive amount of fiber. Fiber is crucial for a healthy digestive system, promoting regular bowel movements, preventing constipation, and supporting a balanced gut microbiome. By incorporating avocado seed tea into your daily routine, you can increase your fiber intake and give your digestive system the boost it needs. Weight management is another area where avocado seed tea can potentially make a difference. The high fiber content of avocado seeds contributes to a feeling of fullness and can help reduce overeating. Additionally, the monounsaturated fats found in avocado seeds may assist in weight management by promoting satiety and supporting a healthy metabolism. When it comes to cardiovascular health, avocado seed tea showcases its impressive benefits once again. The monounsaturated fats present in avocado seeds help lower levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, while maintaining or increasing levels of good cholesterol, HDL. By incorporating avocado seed tea into your routine, you may contribute to a healthier heart and a reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases. Inflammation is a common issue that affects many individuals, and avocado seed tea may offer some relief. The anti-inflammatory properties of avocado seeds can help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially alleviating symptoms of inflammatory conditions such as arthritis, joint pain, and skin conditions. While it's important to note that further research is needed, preliminary studies have also suggested that compounds found in avocado seeds may possess anti-cancer properties. These compounds have shown potential in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. However, it's essential to understand that more research is required before any definitive claims can be made. In addition to being brewed as a tea, avocado seeds can be ground into a powder and used in various culinary applications. Adding the powder to smoothies, soups, or even incorporating it into baked goods can provide an extra nutritional boost to your meals. Conclusion: avocado seed tea might be the next big thing in the world of health drinks, and for good reason. From its antioxidant power to its potential benefits for digestive health, weight management, cardiovascular health, and beyond, avocado seed tea is a powerhouse of nutrition. Remember, it's always important to consult with your healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. So why not try incorporating avocado seed tea into your daily routine and unlock its health-boosting potential? If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on holistic health and wellness. Stay healthy, stay happy,